everyone, Amanda here, thanks for joining me. I'm just here to quickly share one of two kits that I've got coming out. So this one will come out first, and this is a French ephemera kit. Now it's been designed to be a generic ephemera kit, which means it will go with any theme journal, vintage, that you need ephemera for. Invoices, you know, receipts, things like that, but they're all of a French theme. So if you're doing a French journal, double bubble, but they will go with anything. So we've got 20 pages and it's ephemera. I've digitally created them myself. They're not scans, you know, I haven't just been and bought them and scanned them and passed them on. I've created them. Because vintage ephemera is not always easy to get. Not everybody can get out, not everybody can get access to it. So I've come up with a budget friendly way to make sure everybody can have a taste of vintage in their journals. So the first sheet you'll see here is some what I call date snippets. So they're little tiny strips that you can fussy cut and distress and add to your images. So we've got dates and mostly dates, and then Paris and bits of addresses and things like that. I think they're really lovely, really lovely, and these have all been taken from original vintage documents. So there you go. Okay, then we start on with the ephemera, all beautifully digitally enhanced, changed. Some of them have had the colour changed, some have added things to, some have removed things from, but we've got a lovely selection. So this is on a lovely pale blue background, almost like marble effect, I suppose. I created the background and then added the ephemera to, and then just to fill the space we've got two little cards here. Okay, beautiful, 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 beautiful. And then this one here I've added onto one of my own backgrounds as well. Now they'll be available in JPEG and PDF. I haven't done a US size for this because I've checked and they should all just print out onto US paper anyway. There shouldn't be any problem because I've brought them in. You know, I've not just filled the page, so it's not like they should print fine. Okay, here's another one that I've done in this lovely kind of soft, it's not kind of pink, but it's a vintage soft dark pink. And then here I've created these little journaling cards, I suppose, on some ripped paper. Okay, and then here's another invoice. As you can see, it's all French companies and French writing. Okay, then here I've shrunk a few down in case you want some smaller, but don't forget the larger sheets as well. You can always print two to a page if you want them smaller. Okay, but these are great. You just cut them out, fold them, ink the fold lines, ink the back, do what you want, and you're good to go. Okay, great journal fillers. Okay, and there's another one with a beautiful background that I've made. And then these are some postcards that I've created. So these are all unique because I've digitally created them. Okay, and there's some more. So some I've done large and some I've done a bit smaller so that you can have a variety of sizes. But like I say, you've always got 2 to a page, or if you want to turn them into tiny little things for snippets, 4 to a page or 6 to a page. Okay, beautiful, look at that, that's a lovely colour. Another one, I didn't want everything just like dark brown, so I've added some soft pastel colours because I think it just looks really pretty. And this is one that I've added a little cluster to. I think that's really nice. And another one. This is a lovely one, again in the soft vintage pink colour. Beautiful. And don't forget, you can rip them up, you can use them, turn them into envelopes, you can turn them into pockets. You don't have to just fold them up and put them as ephemera, you can make things out of them as well. Rip up the bits that you like. Here I've done some layering so it looks like a pile. So I'd probably maybe add something on there, a little scrap of something, and then add a paper clip or a staple just to make it look more I can't think of the word. There's another one with a lovely background, which is like linen paper. Gorgeous. And some more that I've made a little bit smaller. So there's lots and lots and lots in this kit. Here's another one. Okay. And as always, at a super budget friendly cost, because you know, I keep everything to a low cost. Here's another one that I've done a cluster over. So you just, you know, trim it out, maybe add a paper clip there to make it look like it's a real cluster, or add a little bit of something and then add a paper clip, or just use it as it is. You could even use this, cut it down and use it and glue it in as an album page or a journal page. Then we've got some more ephemera to cut out and layer up. And that's the end of the kit. So what I do is I will fussy cut all of these. Some I'll do with neat edges, some I'll do, you know, I'll just rip them, and then I'll ink them with vintage photo or whatever I like. And what I do is I have a set of these drawers. They're not very deep, they're A4, and I always keep my ephemera drawer full. That way when I'm making a journal, I can just pick pieces out and I'm good to go. And like I say, these are all French themed. Every single one's French themed, but they will go with any kind of journal. So I hope those are useful to you. I'll leave a link in the description box below to my Ko-fi. Any problems, just email me. I think that's about it. And then you'll just have to wait and see for my new big kit coming up. So I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.